Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Honda Accord cabin air filter. This is a simple maintenance task you can easily do yourself, saving you time and money. First, make sure you have a new cabin air filter and a small Phillips head screwdriver ready. Always ensure your vehicle is parked safely with the engine off before starting any work. Now, let's get to the filter. Begin by opening your glove box and removing everything inside. This gives you more room to work. Next, you'll find two small damper arms, one on each side of the glove box. Carefully detach these arms. Then, gently push inward on the sides of the glove box to release the stops, allowing it to swing down further. With the glove box fully open, you'll see a rectangular housing cover. This is where your cabin air filter lives. There are usually two small clips holding it in place. Unclip them and carefully pull out the old filter. Pay close attention to the airflow direction arrow on the old filter. When inserting the new one, make sure its arrow points in the same direction, typically downwards. Almost done. Once the new filter is in, reattach the housing cover, making sure it clicks securely into place. Then, lift the glove box and gently squeeze its sides to guide the stops back into their original position. Finally, reattach the two damper arms. Give the glove box a good close to ensure it latches correctly. You've successfully replaced your cabin air filter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.